R deals. Do you see? R deals came here. So now I can add the other things that are related to the normal website. I can add the other things. Just observe, this is the header, right? Now I'm going to add the other sections. That means the content section I'm going to add.
Isn't on. It only works for Sony.
So I'm adding another div class. In this div class, I can add the other stuff.
How do I do it?
So I'm adding. So what does the UL stands for? Anybody?
Unordered list.
List.
So the UL
Unordered.
stands for
Unordered.
ordered list and the unordered list. We haven't discussed we did not yet discuss the ordered list and unordered list. But for your information, ordered list and unordered lists are going to create the elements in a orderly fashion, like in a 1, 2, 3, 4, in a vertical or horizontal fashion. It is going to create just like your the bullets in the this one.
Yeah.
Here, let us say if I want to make it a bulleted items, you will get like this, right? So similarly, you will get the ordered list and unordered list in the HTML. So this is an ordered list, UL, LI, and I'm adding the anchor tags. Home page. So now our brand is not required here. Just we can leave this class here because brand is used for the branding. As we want to have it in a bold format, so just we added it in the bold form. Now home and next new cars. Old cars. So now observe how it is rendering here. It is rendering in this format. Is it looking good or bad?
It's not looking good actually.
It is not looking good, right? So we need to have it in the horizontal way. Like we need to span horizontally. Just how observe how I am doing it.
ఈ ప్రాసెస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇందాక టీజీ చెప్పినట్టు హైర్ ఎంప్లాయీ అనేది ఒక బిజినెస్ ప్రాసెస్ కదా. సో ఆ హైర్ ఎంప్లాయీ అనే బిజినెస్ ప్రాసెస్ లో యూ కంప్లీటెడ్ వన్ స్టెప్ విచ్
Is it going good now?
Yeah.
So don't think that how Kiran is doing because all these things are already predefined with what you say, a lot of examples that are available. So you need not to break your head. Okay, which class should I use and all. You need not to break your head. All these things are predefined. So you just need to consume those predefined libraries and just tweak according to if you want to change the color and all. You just need to tweak accordingly. Suppose if you want to change the color, how you are going to change the color of the navigation bar? Just go add a new class and extend that particular class. That's it. You can change the colors and all. Got it? So now I want to add a login button also, login and register. So I want to have it in the extreme right. So again, I'm using the same class, nav bar, -nav, and I want to pull it to the right. I'm adding two things, register and the login. Register, and I'm using the login here. You observe this. Now is it looking like a perfect screen or no? Perfect navigation bar or not?
Yes.
It is looking like a perfect navigation bar. So how much time we took to build this with this particular perfect navigation bar? Less than 30 minutes.
Yes.
So always remember, building the HTML is not the big challenge. Building the HTML and the CSS is not the big challenge. But building the applications with the dynamic behaviors, they are going to cause the biggest challenges. They will be biggest major challenges for you, because these designs you will be getting from the your CSS developers. These designs you will get it from the CSS developers. So you need not to break head. Okay, which one should I use and all. Already they are going to give you the CSS and all for you. Just need to use the uh, those classes. That's it. But the real challenge will comes when you want to add the dynamic behavior. When you want to add the dynamic behavior to the applications, there the real challenges comes. There the real challenge will come. And we are not stopping to the Twitter Bootstrap here. For our entire next 40 sessions or the next 35 sessions, we are going to live with the Twitter Bootstrap. So I strongly recommend you to go through the Twitter Bootstrap and then try to build good look and feel pages having very good look and feel. You can try to build those.
Yeah. So yeah.
Got it? So already I am giving you the tips and interview related questions on the HTML, CSS and the HTML and the CSS in the FB group, right? So you just consolidate those questions so that at the end of the day, what happens is you will be getting a big list of questions which will be asked in the interviews. Majority of the interviews will never cross the questions which I am giving. 99%. Because we are touching each and every nook of the HTML and the CSS. So they will never go beyond that when you are going for a web developer position. That means UI developer position, they will never go beyond that particular piece. Okay. So if you have the knowledge of those things, that is more than sufficient. We are going to break our heads majorly on the JavaScript, jQuery, and the AngularJS. Got it? Because most of the things will be. Hello.
Kiran, I have a question.
Yes.
Does the industries use this Twitter Bootstrap?
Heavily.
Like if we practice on Twitter Bootstrap, if the industries won't implement this tool, then what if that is the case? Like,
Pardon me. See, if the company is using their own framework, then there will be CSS developers for you. There will be the CSS developer for you. They are going to design this screen. They are called designers, CSS designers, HTML and the CSS designers will be there. They are going to design these screens. Okay. That particular technology itself is entirely a different technology. Like the CSS itself is a vast. It's very huge. CSS is very huge. So there will be experts. They will first I'll tell you the process. First, they will design the screen by using the Photoshop. Are you aware of Photoshop?
Yes.
yeah.
Paint. So they will design the screen by using the Photoshop. Then what they will do is they will write the classes according to that Photoshopped screen. So they will do that. They will do that and they will give you all the required classes and which class needs to be used in which way. They will give you. So it will come by practice. So you can easily do that. It's not a big challenge in handling the CSS and the HTML. By looking at the code, you can easily understand which class is using there, which class is not using there. You can easily understand. All the thing is you need to have the fundamentals of the CSS and the HTML. That you already get it. That already you are getting that fundamentals of the CSS and the HTML. And also I shared you the material also. You can go through that material.
Okay.
Got it? So you can go through the material. So there is another problem. Okay, so in the Twitter Bootstrap, not only the navigation bar, lot many things are available. Let me show you what are the things that are available. Of course, we will just see what are the things that are available today, and then we will leave. We will consume these things in our examples. That means from the next week onwards, we are going to work with the JavaScript, right? From there, we will start working with these pieces. So during that time, you will not feel embarrassed. Okay, what Kiran is using and all. So navigation bar we already seen. So yeah, give me a second. This is not the one. Components, yeah. Yes. So you might be seeing the icons, right? So these are all the icons that are available by default. We call this as glyphicons. These are all icons, right? Plus sign, minus sign, glyphicon with OK circle. These are all will be used. Shopping cart. These are all the icons available. So this framework is going to give you the icons also. Wherever you want to use the icons, you can use the icons very easily. See how many icons that they have provided. They will tell you how to use also. If you want to use the star, simple. Span class glyphicon, that's it. With whatever the glyphicon that you want to use, you can use that glyphicon, that's it. Isn't it simple? Next, the drop downs. The drop downs that we are aware are different, and the drop downs that Twitter Bootstrap is using are different. They are using the buttons and the ULs in order to get the drop downs. Drop downs available. You can add the dividers inside the drop downs, which was not available in the previous versions of uh, HTML, but in the latest versions of HTML, you can do that. What is this? Anybody tell me what is this? Now you saw this paginations. So you can get the paginations very easily. Nested drop downs. Buttons. You have a lot of buttons available. Button primary, success, info, warning, and all. Labels also, different kinds of labels available. So I will strongly recommend you to go through these components once, so that it will give you the confidence in building the web pages. Like very good web pages you can easily build. Go through that. Split buttons, sizing, a lot of things. Not only these things, the panels are available, these kind of things. Don't worry, I'm going to give you the assignments on this so that you will get complete understanding of how to play with these things. Okay. By next week, you will be able to build full-fledged web pages. I mean, you can design the complete web page by using the Twitter Bootstrap. So already that designs are already made. So I'll show you the assignments. You just need to Google and try to build those assignments. That will give you a lot of confidence in building the HTML and the web pages. See, you can use the brand images, forms. A lot of things are available. So we will see as per the need. We are going to see these things, and then we will continue with that. Okay. Okay then. So thank you all. Today I extended this session little late. I just want to give you some understanding about Twitter Bootstrap because this is the one which we are going to use in our future applications. We are going to build around 3 to 4 projects in our sessions.
Sorry, AB space DV.
Hello? Yeah, so we are going to build around 3 to 4 projects in our in these complete sessions. So we are going to understand different features. We will play with different frameworks. So I'll give you the some insight into the framework, and I'll give you the assignments. So you need to come up with you need to submit those assignments with the by doing some googling and all. You need to submit those assignments.
Hi Kiran,
Yeah.
you told that you will give steps to upload assignments onto GitHub.
Right. I am preparing the document. It will take some more time. Today you will see that.
And
Okay.
Kiran, what about like we started listening to your class from today only. We just joined today. So
The previous recordings are already available in the drive.
how we will be getting the access to the drive?
I will provide you the access.
Please, Kiran, can you also provide me too, along with the material and the previous session, so I can get back to you, with an ease.
The material is already uploaded. The HTML and the CSS material is already uploaded. Twitter Bootstrap material I am going to upload today or tomorrow. Okay. Twitter Bootstrap material I am going to upload. Yeah.
Kiran, this is Sharik. Like, I don't think I have access to this drive. I just joined today.
See, I'm going to tell you the format, like what are the things that you need to do. So I'll share you I'll have your email IDs, all your email IDs reach it to me with granting the access. Okay, so I'll be granting you the access. So what are the things that you need to do is, whenever you're attending this session, before attending this session, you need to update your attendance here. You need to update your attendance. And then you need to once you update the attendance, then there will be a FB group associated to you. You need to join into that group so that you get all the interview related questions and the contest there in the FB group. Okay, so that is the second thing. And the third thing is you need to submit the assignments to this GitHub account, to this GitHub. This is my GitHub account. So your batch is front-end 2016 batch. So you just need to see for the latest code, any day-wise code, you can check it here.
Hi, Kiran. This is Murli here.
Yeah.
When can I expect the last 3 classes or 4 classes being shared with me?
These recordings are already available here. We had only 3 sessions now. So those 3 sessions recordings are available here.
Okay, can you please share this Google Drive to my email ID, please?
Yeah, I will share it. So I have your email IDs. So I will share that to you.
By when can we expect that?
By today.
By today? Okay.
Another 1 hour time.
Okay, please do. We'll be waiting for that.
also you need to join. You need to send a request to this FB group. So please send me the request so that you won't miss the Q&As, question and answers. You won't miss.
Yes. Could you please share me group name?
Yeah. So it's UI trainer. You just need to do that.
What is the
UI trainer. So this is the one which you need to join. This is my FB ID. So once you send the request, I'll try to, and you need to be part of this particular group. Which group?
contact mobile Facebook.
You need to be part of this particular group. There is a group we are following, so that you can be part of that particular group, so that you will get daily questions and update you can be finding here.
Oh.
You'll be getting daily dose questions and all like this. You will be getting here, so that you can be part of this. You can just answer those questions and submit in the assignment form.
These all the material on Google Drive too?
Pardon me?
And is all the material on Google Drive along with the videos?
Yeah, you have that material also in the Google Drive.
Okay, Kiran. So
We
what
have
I'll
the
do is
CSS and
I'll create a Facebook ID on my name and I'll send you an ad request so I can get in touch on the Facebook as well. But I should expect those videos, I mean the last 3 classes and the material in an hour or so?
yeah.
All right, Kiran, thanks a lot. It was nice session. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, thank you all. See you tomorrow. See you on your Monday again, same time.
Thank you.